Vocabulary: estimate, decimals, equation, and approximately. Objective: your objective for today is to be able to estimate decimals. Make an equation. Estimate the decimal. Find your answer. Okay, and since we're rounding, I'll do this to the 3 and 2500ths, 2, 3, and 7, 9, and 700ths, 2, 9, 79. Now we're adding. As soon as I fix this. Okay, now 0 plus 0 equals 0, another 0, bring down the decimal, and do 12, because 9 plus 3 equals 12. And now we're doing 7 plus 1, and the answer is 82. Okay, since we're rounding on this one, we're going to do, well, since the 8 and 6 tenths is already rounded, or 60 hundredths, we don't need to do that, just leave it alone. Plus, and the 7 tells the 2 tells the 7 to stay the same, so it's 4 and 7 tenths, or 70 hundredths. And 0 plus 0 equals 0. 7 plus 6 equals 13, because 3 goes into 7 one time, and then you have an extra 3. So, and then 8 plus 4 equals 12, and then add a 1 is another 13. So the decimal, hold on, I need to write a little smaller. 0, 0, 3, bring down 13. And that's your answer. Miss Lake has 2 and 3400 bottles of Dr. Pepper. When she goes to the store and buys 3 and 6500 more bottles, about how much Dr. Pepper does she have now? Okay, so 2 and 34. We're going to round this to the nearest tens. So, and then it's 3 and 65 hundredths. And since we're rounding, we're going to do 2, because the 3 tells the 2 to stay the same. And I don't need it to be 0. So 3. And then the 3 and 65 hundredths will be rounded to 4. And then 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 3 equals 3. Bring down the decimal. And then 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, this reader has 1 and 7800 candy bars. And then he buys 3 and 2100 more candy bars. Approximately how many candy bars does he have to the nearest tens place? So 1 and 78 hundredths and 3 and 21 hundredths. And now, since we're rounding, it will be to the 1 and 78 hundredths to 2, and it'll be 0 after. Then it'll be 3 because the 3 and 2100s will remain 3. And then 0, 0, decimal. And then 5. And that's your answer. Okay, independent practice. Round these numbers to the nearest tenths. 17 and 67 hundredths, 22 and 55 hundredths, and 37 and 99 hundredths. Pause this video to solve the answers.